244, we fucked up and we don't have time to explain. Let's go. So we have extra unit test flags here to turn off unit tests or subtests. This was fucking wrong. It's a 0 and it's going to stay a 0. Okay, we had to change this as well. We're in the forSet data section. Continuing. A layer and a v16 value to extract from the all bin4 data and pack it into bin class. So here's the inputs, here's the output. We're going to do this later. It's an output parameter. This is a subtest in ArtDude UnitTests, and you can see that we kind of took a whole bunch of code, pasted it into here. So the code from 243 is pasted into here, and now we are using this function here. Notice that it's always 0. We're going to inject test data into tile 0 if these tests are turned on. We're going to do an early exit if ArtDude tests are off, and we're only going to call this test function if this specific test is turned on. And this is going to do our overriding. We're going to override tile 0 with test data if we need to, and this is the function that's going to do it. We're going to do the logic for this later. Here's where we're going to do that override. If we're initializing ArtDude INI and this unit test is turned on, we're going to do some data overriding right here. This always needs to be 0 now. We fucked up. This plus will always be 0. I don't care. I'm not going to hide my shame. I fucked up. I'm going to leave that there for future me to not ever fucking do that, right? Because if we add a 17th tile, we fuck up these access patterns. We can't just clob on more data. I was a fucking idiot. I can't believe I did that. Here's what we did previously. Here's our notes for why we made the changes we made, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a more detailed description about what I fucked up, go to this playlist. You're on the fast playlist and we don't have time. Get the source code here. Email me here. You have been on Video 244. Like and subscribe.